right, so Eric, tell me a little bit about your injury.
My injury is a T12 spinal cord, and what that is, it's in the lower lumbar back part of your back. And I was involved in a car accident that left me paralyzed from the waist down.
Now tell me a little bit about your experience at H3O Aquatics. When you started coming here, what you did at first, and now what program you're doing now.
Well, when I first started several months ago, strictly on the treadmill, progressively starting to walk on my own in the treadmill. I've got a new trainer now that's having me do tremendous amount of different work. Not only am I walking on the treadmill, but I'm actually getting more feeling back in my right side, and I have partial feeling coming back in my left side as well. So by coming here, it's tremendously helped me drastically, and shortly y'all will be seeing me walking soon from H3O.
Now, have you done any other therapy after your accident?
I did do therapy at Stonecrest Medical Center for about a year and a half. That was okay, but this is more of what I needed in order to fulfill my obligation of walking again.
All right. Well, thank you, Eric. And what encouragement would you give to somebody else who has a spinal cord injury?
I would definitely suggest you give H3O a chance. Come in here, see what all they have to offer. It's a win-win situation. They've got great equipment here, treadmills on top of great trainers. They not only focus on helping you get to where you need to be, but they'll make sure you get to where you need to be.
Now, how's the workouts here compared to some of the other workouts you used to do before your accident?
Workouts before were about a 3 to 4. Workouts now about a 20. Full throttle.
So how do you feel? Like right after your workout, how do you feel physically?
I feel great. I mean, from the time I walk in to the time I leave, I'd be lying if I told you I didn't feel 100% great every time I leave from H3O.
Is it easy?
It's not easy. It's hard, very hard, but it's well worth it.
All right, now, what about muscle tone? Have you felt like you've been gaining any muscle here, or tell me about that?
I'm getting more muscle tone in my right leg. Like I said earlier, my left leg is slowly but surely coming along. But my right leg from day one has always been a little bit stronger with more feeling coming back. But I can definitely tell at my calves and my thighs, they're definitely getting muscle tone back in them.
All right. Well, thank you, Eric.
Thank you, H3O.